Supplier Ordering. This tutorial will address the following: vendor setup, how to place order, the ordering report. To set up a vendor, click on Maintenance, Accounts, Vendor Entry. At this time, you are able to order through PGW, Pilkington, and Migrant. For PGW, at code and name, enter PGW. At vendor type, select Glaxus. Check the box beside Auto Query and select their priority. This will be the order by which the vendor parts are queried if you're using more than one vendor. The Glaxus PID is always 1004. At Ship ID, this number will be provided to you by Glaxus support. To set up Pilkington as a vendor, click on Maintenance, Accounts, Vendor Entry. The code will be Pilkington, and the name will be the same. At vendor type, select Pilkington. Check the box beside Auto Query and select the priority. The login ID is the ePOS ID supplied to you by Pilkington, and the password is the ePOS password supplied by Pilkington. Click on Save. To set up Migrant, click on Maintenance, Accounts, Vendor Entry. At code, enter in Migrant. At vendor type, select Migrant. Check the box beside Auto Query and select the priority. This will be the order by which the vendor parts are queried if you are using more than one vendor. At login ID, enter your customer number with Migrant. At password, enter the password you use to log into your web account with Migrant. At Web User ID, enter your Web User ID that is used with your Migrant web account. Click on Save. Click on Utilities, Company Information, and then click on the Auto tab. You will need to have your Quicks and Glaxus settings entered in order to order through PGW. Under Quick Settings, you will need to enter your client ID and password. Under Glaxus settings, you will need to enter your Glaxus ID. Please contact Quest Tech Support at 989-224-7162 to assist you with this setup. Click on the Invoicing tab. Under Invoice Customization, place a check mark beside Automatically Display Order window when saving a work order and beside Automatically Display Order window when saving an invoice. Click on Save to update your company information for supplier ordering. Click on Auto Quote. Click on the Vehicle tab and look up a vehicle and select the glass. The part will be queried from your selected vendors in order of priority setting preference. Availability from the vendors will be returned and appear in green in the footnotes. Click on the Part Availability tab. This will display availability of the part from the vendor and will list all attachments for the part. The part to be ordered will be underlined. Click on the General tab and at Document Type from the drop-down select Invoice. Enter in a customer and bill to. Click on Save. Enter in a payment, click on Save. The order screen will appear with the part listed to order. Click on the Order button to place the order. A purchase order will be shown. You are able to print by clicking on the printer icon. Click on Close to exit. To view reports for the supplier order, click on Reports and Ordering. Select a date range. Leave the vendor code range and part number range blank to include all of ordered items for the selected date range. Click on View. The order report will list for each vendor the PO number, sales order number, and parts ordered on PO, and the date and time of the order with cost pricing listed. Vendor totals and grand totals will be shown for a number of parts and total costs. Click on Close to exit.